Hey, welcome to another unscripted video. This is Joe here, sharing my experiences in living and building businesses here in Ghana. Today, my mother visited me, actually, well, to take some of, I ordered some chairs, tables from China. And it's a business that I've been helping my mom to do for the best part of 10 years or over 10 years now. And basically my mother rents tables, chairs, canopies for events, especially funerals. So we've been doing that for a while. And recently, like I would say last June, I ordered some goods for her. And I ordered some for myself, because where she does the rentals is based in the eastern region. That's Achim Swedro. So I thought, okay, why don't I order some of it and try in Accra and see how that one go. But because I'm busy with my other businesses, especially with the factory, I don't have time, to take on another business. So I thought my mother should just come and pick up the rest of the other chairs and tables that I have here, sitting here not doing anything, so that she can rent it out. At least she can start making some money. So today she's here. That's her. She's here to pick up these tables and chairs. I had some at the factory, so the one that's already loaded was being stored at our factory. She's picked it up, we loaded it, so now we're gonna get as much stuff that she can carry. It's about 3 or 4 hours drive to my hometown, so that's it really.